I just don't. Hi you guys, I just wanted to check in and just say a few things to you. I started to do this video as like a wash day, what I do underneath my wigs type of video. Unfortunately, it did not turn out that way. If you guys just continue watching the video, you will kind of just see what happens. I'm not going to be talking through this part, even though that was what I wanted to initially do, but clearly it did not end up going that way. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do love you. I will be back pretty soon, but right now I just kind of need to get myself together. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. I did not expect to go this route in my video. I was going to do a wash day, you know, what I do in between me wearing my wigs, but clearly I'm not doing something right because I don't know if this is normal. Like, I wash my hair probably every 4 weeks. Like, I always braid it. But is this normal? Can someone let me know? Because I don't really know what to do. But I'm gonna use a scalp scrub. Maybe I need to like get some gunk off of my scalp for it to grow. So this is gonna be a little bit twisted now. I kind of have to, I don't know, I don't want to delete this video, but I didn't expect this. So we're just gonna switch some things up a little bit. So I'm gonna, I just got this. I don't know if I'm really supposed to be using this right now, but honestly, like, I just want to use this video as like a way for you guys to kind of help me. I just bought this. This is a Taraji P. Henson scalp scrub. Maybe I just need to like get some gunk off of my scalp. Maybe I just have too much dead skin or something on my scalp. So I guess I'll just come back and just give you guys an update. I really expected this video to go different, but I know you kind of have to do what you have to do sometimes. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this leave-in conditioner because my hair is pretty much just already air dried, and I just went ahead and put a clip in just like to hold it back to give me a little bump so that I can have like my little bangs. And it's like, you guys, my hair is just so thin. Like, I don't know what's going on, and it's like I'm not
I'm not sitting here like upset because of my hair. Like obviously I'm a little bit upset because of my hair, but like I just think that, oh my god, like I don't even understand like how this video even ended up being like this. But it's like I'm just like really sitting here trying to analyze, you know, I'm upset because my hair is falling out, and then I'm trying to sit here and be like, you know, it could be because of stress. And I had to really sit here and think about it like, yo, like I'm like really stressed out right now, and now it's to the point where it's affecting my damn hair, and now I'm like balding practically. Like I feel like I'm just really stressed with with YouTube. I don't even know if I even want to continue to sit here and do YouTube videos. I feel like mentally it's a lot going on right now. And now it's to the point where I'm like freaking losing all my damn hair, and I'm like getting really stressed out and frustrated. Like I just feel like I don't really know what's going on in my life right now. You know, this whole quarantine thing or whatever, but I feel like it's literally like my life just flipped absolutely upside down, and I'm just to the point where I'm just like breaking down. And I'm trying to like hold it together. Like I understand you guys look at me like this YouTuber, like, oh my god, you know, she's so inspiring, she's so this, she's so that. And I feel like for the most part, I've really been trying to be consistent. I feel like I have really been trying to just change my overall brand, trying to change my image from social media or whatever, and just trying to like work on myself internally. My videos on YouTube, you guys always see my hair in braids, so it's not the first time I've left my hair in braids for like more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever. So it's like it's not that, and the only thing I can really sit and think about is like I think I'm just really stressed out right now. I'm just getting to a point where I don't really vocalize it, and I just hold things in. And like now my freaking hair is being like, you know, the effect of it, and I'm just getting real like overly emotional. But at the same time, my problem is I'm not emotional, so I hate crying. Like I really do hate crying, let alone trying to freaking film, put out a damn video, and then, you know, still be able to be a YouTuber for everyone. So like I said, this video was supposed to go so much different than what the hell is going on right now. Like I don't even know why I'm just so emotional. Like it's just fucking hair, like, you know, it's just hair. But at the same time, it's like it's not just hair, like, you know, like I'm clearly stressed out. I am clearly stressed out right now. I had to take that makeup off because I just don't. Like, I just can't. I think I'm just going to ask if anyone has any recommendations for hair breakage and their hair falling out or anything like that. Can you guys please let me know in the comment section down below, because I don't know if my hair is falling out because I'm just really stressed out. I don't know if it's coming out because I'm just not using the right products. Like I don't know what's going on right now, but I think my hair is just, I understand it's just hair, but it's not that. It's clearly something deeper than that, because my hair never has done this before. So you guys might be gonna look at this video and be like, bitch, it's just fucking hair, like, you know. But it's clearly not. It's clearly something. I have a lot of stress right now, so I honestly just did not expect this video to go like this. Like I said, I really wanted this video to go in a whole entire different direction. From the moment I started washing my hair to the moment I started seeing clumps come out, it was just like, what is going on right now? Like I don't even know what's going on right now. Like I just don't. So I'm sorry to anyone that does not give a shit to see me upset in the video, because I understand everyone is really going through their own things right now. But at the end of the day, this is my life, this is my YouTube, and this is what I go through, you know. So please let me know down below any suggestions that you feel like I can do to stop my hair from falling out right now. And yeah, thanks guys, and I'll see you soon.